Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you the contents inside of Royal Jordanian's Business Class Amenity Kit. Please remember to follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So this Amenity Kit was handed out to me on a flight on Royal Jordanian in their business class. This was a short flight, so they still did hand this out. So as you can see, the pouch, the red inside on the pouch. So with that, you will get socks, an eye mask. Here you got a toothbrush and toothpaste, can certainly come in handy, and a little pen to make notes. And that is the contents of the Royal Jordanian Business Class Amenity Kit. As always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.